Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Claire from Fundamental Paper Education. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. We'll start with the curve down and bring it in at the bottom. And the same on the right side. And now let's connect it with the curve across. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw the eye. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve over and down. And then another curve underneath. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve down in the center. And then color the right section in black. And that's it for the eye. Now let's move underneath in the center and let's draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's move up and let's draw the hair. Let's start on top of the eye and let's draw a curve up. And then bring it back down on the right. Now let's hop down and let's draw a curve over to the left. And then bring it back up. Now from the top, let's angle it back down, making it a little bit shorter. Then let's bring it out, extending it past the side of the head. And angle it up at the end. Now let's hop over to the right side and let's start next to the eye and let's draw a curve up and out. And then bring it back in. Now from the end, let's curve it out again. And then a small angle up. Now let's hop back over to the left side and let's draw an angle down and angle it back up. Now to close off the top of the head, let's start in the center and let's draw a curve across. Now from both ends, let's curve it down and flick it out at the end. Next, let's hop on top in the center and let's draw two angled lines up. And then angle them both down, forming two triangles. Next, let's move down underneath and let's draw the sides of the hair. Underneath on both sides, let's draw a curve down and out. Now underneath both sides, let's angle it back down and in. And then curve it back up. Now on both sides, let's angle it back down again. Now let's bring it in. And then one more line to close off each side. And that's it for the head. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the neck. Underneath in the center, let's draw two angled lines down and out. Now from both ends, let's angle them back in. And then bring them back up, meeting at a point. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw 2 angles coming downwards. And then color the top section in black. And that's it for the collar. Now let's move underneath and draw the shoulders. We'll start with an angled line down on both sides. And then bring it down again. And then connect them at the bottom with the line across. Lastly, let's add a circle inside for the button. And that's it for Claire. Now let's quickly color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!